As you can see, the hail is so bad that it's collecting on our truck. This is hail, man, mixed in with possible snow. September 11th of 2011, the anniversary of the World Trade Center terrorist attacks. And I was hoping for a sunny day, but look at this, man. There's nothing like this in the world. This is a storm of the century in September. Record-breaking snowstorm or hailstorm, but wow. Woohoo! Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at the snow down there, man. I got it, okay? I know. We got snow on the road, man. Wow.
It's not snow, that's ice.
Ice, hail. It's alright. I got tires made, all-weather tires. I can go through this shit like nothing. But anyways, I'm going to show off the camera, folks. I just wanted to show you the snow-covered road. This is a very dangerous pass. That's why they close it single lane through drop-offs of high peaks and mountains, and water on the road, snow, a lot of twists and turns, about 9,000 feet up, 9,000, unbelievable, unbelievable.